All right, what's up, dudes? What's up, YouTube? I got all my friends here, and we're trying a snack crate. This one is a monthly subscription. You get it in the mail, and it's a different country each month. And today's country, well, let's find out what it is. Can you grab that, Josh? So here's the pamphlet that comes with it. Today's is from the UK. Tells you everything about it. All right, Nick, if you would, grab us a snack out of there. Let's try it.
All right. Let's go with Somerset Cheddar Scallops.
Savorites.
Oh.
Okay, and then I'll let you open that up.
All right.
Try.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. It kind of tastes like sour cream and onion, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting.
Maybe a little bit sweeter.
Yeah, it's got like a little something in there that you don't get in like the Lay's.
Crunchier.
Crunchier. And almost like
like those baked chips.
Like a kettle?
Mm-hmm.
Like kettle chips.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. I mean, pretty good. I would try it again.
I mean,
It's cool. You can see it says made in England.
what everybody get it for a rating?
I would give it
Solid 7.
a 7.
Yeah.
I'd give it a 7.
6.
6.
Yeah. Probably an 8.
8?
Really?
Oh, so you really like that.
Compared to other potato chips.
Well, because
Isn't that technically not a chip though? It's a crisp. Because they eat crisps in England, not chips.
I mean, I guess.
The chips is a French fry. Could be. Whatever. All right.
All right. Jake, you pick next.
Let's do the Twiglets.
Twiglets.
It's a really weird name, and it's Jacob's brand, so should be good. But okay, let's open her up and try. Interesting smell.
It's like a seasoned pretzel, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh, thank
Oh.
you. Not good.
What?
It's burnt.
It tastes burnt.
No, it's not just burnt.
It's like bitter.
Like. Ugh.
That's kind of disgusting.
Yeah.
terrible.
That's
the
terrible.
worst.
Yeah. I was saying that.
That is a -1.
That's not a snack. Yeah, 0 out of 10. Disgusting. I'm not even gonna finish that. It's bad.
All right.
Hand me something, Nick?
Like,
It's so bad he needs to wash his mouth out.
Yeah, no.
burnt weed.
Yeah.
Like actual like
Like weed smoke.
Oven baked, high in fiber.
not weed smoke. It tastes like bowl. Like,
Dirty glass.
yeah. That after you smoke bowl.
They're terrible. They taste like he was saying, like burnt weeds, and
Like
they're bitter
dandelions.
and yeah, disgusting. These are awful.
-5.
-5. 0 from yeah. If you want to
Yeah.
make an official
I
1 to
give it
10
a big
scale, 0.
Doom.
Doom. We also opened these already because the camera stopped recording for some reason, and these ones are actually pretty good. So I guess everybody just, if you want to try it again, I do. It tastes like Fruity Pebbles, and they do. It's maize and rice and sugar, and it tastes fruity. It has like a stale texture, so I'm not sure if it was supposed to be crispier than this.
I don't think so.
Maybe not, but there's something to it where you bite into it, and it almost tastes like fruit juice is coming out. It's juicy, and it's got a lot of fruitiness to
Yeah.
it. So
It gets a boom!
What do you guys think out of 10?
I'm gonna give it a 3. I didn't like it that much.
I don't like it.
I'll give it an 8.
I'm gonna say a 5.
I'm gonna also say a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
I'm
Like
a
it's
sugar,
really sweet. I don't normally like stuff that's super sweet
I'm a sugar head.
and sugary.
But like that's 5.
Yeah, like it's okay. The Monster Munchies. This is a really like inconvenient way to film. But it looks like this is already open. Now, Nick, tell us what happened.
I opened the package. I believe that I opened it, so because the package is like so flimsy. Because I was like kind of digging through what was in here. So
Maybe he opened it.
I ate one
so
already,
It's
so-
already open. I'm not worried about it. Pickled onion.
no.
Oh,
And a
wow.
cool shape.
Nick, I don't think you opened these.
Really? Okay, they came from the UK open.
Like, you ever had Cheetos that have been laying out for a while?
They
have the
taste
same
stale.
texture.
Still, I like the flavor.
The flavor
flavor
is
is
really
really
Flavor's
good.
good.
Yeah, those are really good still.
The bottom of the bag ones, better. They have more seasoning on them.
What would you guys give this?
Fully out of the bag with no, like, not staleness. Definitely a 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10 anyways.
It's a
Okay.
9.
It's a 9.
Yeah, 9. I think it gets
I mean,
like-
I
like pickles.
Boom!
I like pickles, so
Yeah.
I just noticed it says Walkers on the bag with the Lay's logo. So that's interesting.
That's what Lay's is in the UK.
Oh, really? It's the same company?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
All right.
Okay. All right.
We got
Next thing, we've got this. Show the camera very clearly if you can. We got up close.
it's so
What does that even say? Okay.
Jamie Dodger minis.
So
This
it's like a little candy bar. So I'm gonna have to break this up or just take a bite out of it. Oh no,
No, it's in like little.
there's 4 of them. There we go.
It smells really good.
Need more feeling.
Oh my god.
All right. Oh, that's really good. Okay.
That's really good. Intense, like sweet flavor. Like,
Yep. This is definitely the best one yet. Dodgers minis. I would give it a 9.
8 only because it needs more filling.
I'd give it a 5. Yeah.
Give it a 7.
Your rating?
10.
10. Okay.
I like.
You can't rate everything 10.
All right. What else we got in here?
Sherbet fountain. I don't even know what this is. Like, what is this thing? Okay, finally getting it off, because that's... They don't want you to eat that, dude.
All right.
What is in there?
Like a pill bottle.
Let's see.
It's like a baby bottle pop, isn't it?
Let's see. Sorry. Interesting.
Looks like a weird baby bottle pop.
You're not gonna like this one.
I don't like licorice.
I know.
It might not be like.
That looks like licorice.
So this is the thing we're eating
We got a lot more. There's little sugar pieces.
with sugar pieces. So what do? You pour the sugar in your hand?
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Eat it with together. That's what we're doing.
Okay. No, take that back.
Sure.
Thank you.
You got some?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not sugar.
It's
not?
It's the sugar.
It's like a sour.
Oh, I have powder
Okay.
all
No.
over my sleeve.
More powder. This is packed.
You gotta wipe your mouth.
I had it all over. Like I still have it all over me. Yeah. Okay. Ratings.
Wipe your nose.
It's on your.
He snorted
He
it.
literally.
Oh.
How do you feel?
Actually woken up. Wow.
Okay.
Like other substances.
Might actually be something there.
Dude, I liked it. 7 out of 10. 7.5.
-5. Ugh.
I'd give it.
Disgusting.
I'd give it an 8.
6.
The licorice.
Give it a 1.
The licorice was disgusting. The powder was good.
Okay.
Not something
Okay.
I'd
See,
buy.
other way around for me.
Uh-uh.
I wasn't a fan of the powder, but the licorice
I
was
didn't
good.
like any of it.
I like how bitter it was.
I like the powder.
Alright, let's see. Let's do something weird. I feel like people are gonna like this one.
Okay. Yeah, let's
Because I
open
feel
it
like
up.
I'm gonna like this one. I feel like this is gonna be nerds. It's not nerds. Significantly better.
It's like gum.
Yeah, it tastes like gum.
But better. It's like gum. And Laffy Taffy had a baby.
Yeah, I'd give that like a... That an 8. That's really good.
Yeah.
A lot of like powerful grape flavor too. That was good. That was good. Fruit salad.
Starburst.
Fruity salad. It looks like it might be giving off Starburst vibes. So. And there's like the little rocks and stuff. So.
Like Starburst, but not as flavorful.
Had like a knockoff Starburst.
Yeah.
Tastes like a
It's more chewy too.
like
Dollar
Laffy
Tree.
Taffy and a Starburst.
It's like a Temu Starburst.
Yeah.
Team of Starburst, yeah.
Eagle Starburst.
I don't hate it,
I mean,
but I don't love it. 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a 5.
5.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4.
Kent Ashmore cheese and onion crisps.
Yeah, those look pretty. Those look pretty good.
Because
The picture is very
the
enticing.
Yeah.
Makes it look like a quality product, you know?
Feels like a quality bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's not gonna bust open in transit.
No. So these better be fresh. These better be fresh. They look fresh. All right.
You like that fresh onion? Oh,
Yeah.
I like those ones better.
Mm-hmm.
They have more flavors than those.
Let's go buttery though.
all right,
It
let's
is
go for a
good.
It's
second.
so good. It's
I like those
buttery.
more.
It's good, but I like the flavor on
It
that.
tastes like a kettle chip. That's real good.
Oh, these have
Oh
more.
yeah, these are better.
I like these better than the first
I like
ones.
these more.
Me too.
I do.
My take is that UK has better chips than America.
Even though they call them
Crisp.
crisps.
Like
So ratings on the Kent chips?
9.
9?
9.
Give it a 6.
I'll also give it a 9. This is my favorite yet, for sure. Next up, what do we got?
All right,
They give you a lot in here.
they do.
So that's what it looks like, the packaging. Okay. So we'll tear this open and if we can figure out how. So that's what it looks like. So it looks pretty good. Sugary. But I feel like it's gonna have like a sweet and sour fizzy cactus. It's gonna be sour.
There's like stuff inside of it too.
Let's try it.
Let's go.
Ooh.
There's like something like a liquidy in the middle or softer. Those are pretty good.
Those are like sour gushers in cactus form. They kind of slap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not normally a candy person. I'll give that an 8.
That's the first
I
time
like that a
for me.
lot.
That's a 9.
5.
7.
It's very
So
good.
here's
one.
the last one. This is the drink, and we're gonna need to get some shot glasses.
Is that Iron Brew?
Yes. So I got glasses for us, and we only drink water and soda out of these, right? Definitely. And pop, yeah. Nice.
Fizzy drink.
Cheers.
Cheers, lads.
Where's my shot glass, Dippy?
It might not be clean. It was sitting by the sink, but I think it's probably clean.
It's like watered down orange soda.
Yeah.
With a tingy,
Better
Yeah.
cold.
tingy, disgusting drink. Yeah, no.
I'll drink the whole thing.
A little bit more.
I mean,
let me try.
it has 62 calories. A normal like pop
That's like a
with
hard
full
80.
sugar, yeah, it's like 150, 180. So I guess it makes sense. It's not as sweet, but I don't know. I kind of like it though.
I do.
You want to
It
say,
almost
Josh?
tastes like an energy drink.
It kind of does,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
It's not
It's
like
sweet,
it's not sweet, but it tastes like
But
unnatural.
I'm talking about like I don't
15
like the
grams sugar.
taste.
15 grams of sugar.
It doesn't taste like orange soda.
It's
No,
not
show the
great.
camera.
It's very mid.
I like it.
Yeah.
Mid.
So 5 for me.
Yeah, 5.
4.
Okay.
I'd give it a 6. I would drink it, but
Yeah. Well, I think that's all the snacks.
That's all.
I think we're
good.
we're good. Wait, no, it's not. No, it's not. There's one more.
There's one
There's
more.
one more.
it's probably gonna look so dark.
Let's go.
Refreshers. Okay. So yeah, Laffy Taffy original lemon flavor. So that should be interesting. You do. You gotta yank it. I'll give you another piece full. What is this? So yeah, it looks exactly like Laffy Taffy. I bet you it's gonna taste like it.
No.
No, it tastes bad.
It tastes like I'm eating a car air freshener.
It does.
It's a little tree, dude. It's a little
I
tree.
like
No, I don't know, dude.
No.
It is good.
No.
I like it.
The lemon flavor?
Mm-hmm.
I
The
really
more
like it.
the more you get into it, the better it tastes. I'll say that.
I know, but like the air in my mouth is like lemon tree right now.
Should have bought a Canon.
I should use my other Sony with no record limit. I didn't know this had one. Wait, what was everybody's rating on the taffy?
4.
A 6.
6. I would give it a 6.5.
I think probably a 3.
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys really didn't like it, huh?
No.
Not
Fair
for me.
enough. Fair enough. So here's a review of all the stuff that we ate. Hopefully the lighting is not terrible, but all right, guys. So what was your favorite thing there, like that we had today.
Those crisps.
These crisps?
Either of the chips.
Yeah.
The pickled onion.
Pickled onion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pickled onion. If they weren't stale.
I would say the Kent crisps were my favorite.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah,
Nothing was a 1.
this is my favorite. This was,
about this?
I
Yeah,
think,
that
the
was-
best.
Oh, that's like
This
negative.
one,
negative.
I give
Oh,
it
I
a
gave
0.
it. I give it a 1.
That was the worst.
If 1 is the lowest you can get, then I give this the lowest you can get. Absolutely
that is-
disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Terrible.
You didn't
Like
oh, you
the
didn't
smell.
licorice.
Get it
Oh
away.
yeah, the
dude.
licorice.
The smell's bad. All right, so as we finish off these snacks here, this was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for being here. And
Where's the other
Snack Crate,
one? I think there's one left.
I think that was a good deal. How much did you pay for it, Nick?
$20.
I'll put like a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And every month they send you a new box with a different country's theme of snacks. So look out for another video because we're going to do it again. I'll see you guys next time.
Jake, how much would you pay me to eat all this? Why are you always trying to out?
Dude, I don't think I
I need money. Nick, how much would you pay me to eat all this?
I wouldn't pay you anything.
$20?
No.
How about this, Will? You can eat the whole bag for free.
$10. Final
No.
offer.
No, we're throwing them away.
You're terrible.
So I went in the other room. You're giving him $10?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should eat faster.
Eat faster, dude.
They're so chewy. I can't.
Give Kate her money's worth.
Oh my god, this is so fun. That's exactly
Well, you're struggling over there. He's not enjoying himself right now.
No. You're good.
Those are real good. I like those. What is there left that I like?
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy. I shouldn't have said that. Oh, is that the one I ate half of?
No, it was the one I took out and I was like, no, I don't want this. I was trying to eat it.
No. So, Will, brushing them teeth. Get the flavor out of your mouth.
Savor that flavor.